Here's how you can block the adult website using your router. This will block on whole network level, so you can set this up easily and quickly on your Android as well. First, go to the setting, tap on the setting icon, go to connection, tap over to the Wi-Fi network, and then you need to tap on the setting icon. Then you can see we have a managed router. If you don't know, or if you don't have managed router right here, you can still tap on view more and tap this DHCP to static. And on static IP, you can see there is a gateway IP. So you need to copy this and paste it on the browser. So simply, if you have managed router, then you can just tap on manage router and it will bring the same page for you. As you guys can see that this is my gateway IP address. Now I'm on my quick setup page on my router. The router may be different in your case, but it will apply the same setting. So go to advanced to navigate all the router settings. So here in the settings of the router page, you need to navigate to network, and then you need to tap here on WAN connection type. As you guys can see right here is a DHCP. So you don't need to use static IP, but you can tap on advanced if you have. You should be able to find primary DNS and secondary DNS. So you will need to edit this DNS and set the DNS as given above the screen, and you can also copy the DNS from the description down below. And on secondary DNS, so once you guys are happy, and simply tap on save. Now this should apply on your whole network level since you have saved this on your router, and you don't need to use Android DNS connection anymore. So if you are using DNS on your Android, go to more connection setting and make sure that the private DNS are turned off. As you guys can see, I was using 1.1.1. So you should deactivate all this DNS, and now you are not able to visit all the adult websites, and it's that simple to set up on your router as well. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.